Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can make dirt into grass in Minecraft. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Minecraft game and make sure it is updated. After that, open your target world and you will be redirected to this type of interface. In total, there are two methods to make dirt into grass in Minecraft. For the first method, you will need a grass source. It means that if you want to convert a dirt block into grass, you just need to connect it with a grass block. Once you do that, your dirt block will be converted into a grass one. Now, the other method is collecting grass in the first place. If you want to break a grass block and place it somewhere else, you can just use the Silk Touch enchanted shovel and break them. If you do that, the grass blocks won't be converted into dirt. As you can see, I am currently in the creative mode, so I can't show you right now, but that's all about it. So that's basically how you can make dirt into grass in Minecraft. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.